Let me see some. Yeah, everybody. Somebody has some $5,000 glasses on. Damn. Got Playboy Jeezy here. Ain't nobody even cooked up here. I don't smell no barbecue. Man.
Hey, Blake.
Uh,
Man, you want some trouble tonight right now?
I'm looking for some food, man. My stomach hurt.
They have a credit card in out here.
My credit card. Nah, I keep switching them up. They just look the same from the police. I got the hats and the shirts. What size I need to look for? Lord, I think that's right there in the bag. Bam. Got
How
the
much you say?
20. Boom. Appreciate it.
Lord.
Bam.
Thank you. Appreciate
Thank
it.
you. Thank you. She gonna have that shirt on. Take a picture of it and send it to me. All right. Yeah, Instagram. I'm gonna put it on my channel. Oh, maybe. Let me see. Check it out. Let me see something. What we gonna do? Small blood. Look. What happened? Man, what happened? I thought. Dang. Oh. Hold on, y'all. And after this, we're gonna go see one of these good races, y'all. Gray lookout hatch. I might got something gray in there. Yeah. I need to go on to the store and get me some more lookout hats. I know what to buy now. I ain't know what to buy. Where gray is? Be in there, gray. Nah. I got it. Hell nah. I don't know what color that is. That's something else. I don't even know what to call that shit. I don't even know what to call that.
Small block of big block.
Oh.
About a twin turbo.
Twin turbo? Yeah, I'm about to do some twin turbo. I thought it was supercharged. Huh? Yeah, I got that. Yeah. Okay.
Grudge, fuck these boys up. I ain't got who he running up in.
Beige.
It was Bud.
He's sitting over there in the court. Got these box caprice. We got Playboy Jeezy. That's how they do it over there in the shop. We got Agustino Hernandez. That's Caprice, not a G8. We got these badass box caprices over here, y'all. I don't know what they got. The Tierra grill. They say that's from. Who the hell? Oh, that's him. Oh, he finna let her drive. He finna let her drive, y'all. Okay. Letting her drive that time. Yeah, he got that bang in there. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So they're gonna be in the lanes at 10. I'm gonna be rolling on now. I ain't really wanna be live for 6 hours. I don't be getting that many donations. how much it costs to get in the track. Y'all seen it? Right now we still on the in the negatives. Appreciate you, Billy Hayes, for the team, man. See, I already been lying 78 minutes. Woo. That hour done went on by.
I got the S52, you know, and look on the forums.
Wait a minute, miss. I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah, I gotta ride with you.
Okay. I gotta go up here.
I don't know where we going. I'm trying to follow you.
We are gonna go
Where we going?
up here and get my credit card.
Oh, you got a credit? Who you with?
Chase.
Chase? Yeah, that good one. You got that sapphire?
That what?
The sapphire card where you get the
No.
extra points.
No.
Yeah, they give
It's not a
us
credit card, it's a debit card.
Oh, okay.
Right. Something different, right?
Let's see. I wonder if they got some food over there.
You have a good one. First safe now. All right. Push the line. Okay.
Ooh-wee. See, this wild.
We gotta go get some ice.
Come on, let's go get some ice, miss.
Ooh, it's too hot today.
It's too hot, miss?
Yes. That feels good though.
Yeah, that do. Remind me of my bike. I wanna ride it. Nah, this actually could remind me of that Jeep. You remind me of my Jeep. I wanna ride it. Something like the sound. I wanna. And I heard they gave R. Kelly 30, y'all. The Dirty 30. Miss, they gave R. Kelly 30 years. Yeah, 30 years. That's a long time. Oh, miss, he did a lot. Was it worth the 30 piece? Kinda, but 30, miss. Yeah. I don't know what he gonna be singing when he get out. He gonna be. We ain't hearing no more music. Unless they got a, what's that thing called?
Thank you.
Austin Silverado. What's up with it? Well, they know how to buy that ice.
Is she gonna be Playboy Jane?
Oh, I can hear Demonology. Yes, guys, we need lots and lots of ice in order to get that supercharger down, in order to under room temperature, guys.